Okay folks, so we're going to show you how these safety chaps work. We've sold literally thousands of them all over the country. It's a fantastic safety tool. What we're going to do is we're going to strap it down to this log, which is going to simulate a leg. And then we're going to fire up a saw at almost 250 there on the ground, about a 3 cubic inch saw. Cut down through these chaps to show you what they are capable of doing. You can see on our internet site and on the website what happens when you don't have them on. And this is the kind of safety that you'll have if you're wearing a pair of safety chaps. Okay folks, so we've got these chaps strapped down to this log, and Chris is going to take the chainsaw, run it full tilt, just like you would be in the woods. Instead of slipping into your leg to demonstrate the capacity and the capability of these things, he's going to drop it right down on top of it. We'll show you what happens, and we'll take the chap back to show you that the log underneath has never been touched. Okay folks, you can see this at the material in the chainsaw chaps. It's jammed that sprocket, and what we're going to do is we're going to take these chaps off the log, flip it upside down, and show you that nothing ever went through. And there you go, nothing went through the chaps. We'll flip the chaps over and you can see on the bottom that everything is safe and sound. Your leg would be intact. Without those chaps on, that's a helicopter ride to the ER.